Good morning, Ambassador. Welcome.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Good, good. Now you're home.
I am.
Very good. Welcome. Welcome.
We talked about the strong partnership that we have with Timor-Leste, the United States and Timor-Leste together. We discussed regional relations, as well as the way that the United States is supporting Timor-Leste for its future. There wasn't anything specific. This was an introductory call. We are going to continue our broad support for Indonesia's economic growth, for education, as well as for improving technology and agriculture. We discussed briefly cyber security and also talked about preparations for the papal visit.